Hey there, John here, running you through a quick tutorial of how to create individual dashboards for your technicians. The first step you're going to want to take is to come here to the account dropdown and go to the Viewers tab. Now you have an unlimited amount of viewer licenses that you can provide each one of your technicians. They're all free, and these viewer licenses are read-only. This means that you can give them access to any dashboard you'd like. The viewer will be able to go into that dashboard, view it obviously, and then be able to click on the graphics or the numbers displayed and get that drill down capability, but they will not be able to change any of the filters you have applied or manipulate any of your gauges. Now, once you have created a viewer by selecting this blue invite a viewer button, you're going to come here to your dashboards, and you would want to select a dashboard that is something that you can use as a main template for all of your different technicians. I'm going to come here to this tech dashboard. This tech dashboard that we have here on this account is an example of a ConnectWise dashboard. Now, the steps I'm going to outline are the same regardless of the data source you are using, but did want to make it clear that this is a ConnectWise dashboard. The only difference might be the fields being used when you're adding the filters. Now, to add an individual tech filter, you'll come here to Add a Filter. There's a blue Add a Filter button. And here I want to collapse all the data sets available on the dashboard. Once I've done that, I'll come in and try to look for the Resolved By field here for the ticket stats. Then for the rest, I'm going to look for Member ID. Now, a little side note with ConnectWise, to find your technician's data in any ticket statistics data sets, you're going to be using that Resolved By field that you saw me check off here. Now, once you have checked off the fields in all the data sets, you'll come to Value and select a technician you want to see on the dashboard. So here I'm going to use Steve as an example. Save it. And now you can see all of the gauges are being filtered out for just Steve's data. I know I did it right as long as I see these green icons in the top right corner of every gauge on the dashboard. Once his filter is applied, you're going to want to come to More, clone that dashboard, and keep a naming convention that's similar in all the dashboards so that you can organize it well. So here what I'm going to do is add Steve at the end of the tech dashboard. That way on my list here on the side, it'll always fall in line with the rest of the tech dashboards. And then since Steve does have a viewer license, I'll look for him on this list. I see him at the bottom, check him off, click Create. And you'll see here that now Steve has his own dashboard, and like I said, he'll be able to come in here, look at this dashboard, he can click into some of these numbers, get that drill down capability, but he cannot remove the filters or edit these gauges. The great part about all of this is that when you come back into your dashboard dropdown, you can come back to the original dashboard, and eventually you'd want to see all of your individual technicians appearing here as a list like you see, and we can simply toggle on and off their filters to see how they're doing on an individual basis when need be. So hope this was helpful. For any additional questions you may have, please reach out to our support team at support@brightgauge.com.